So I was scrolling on my YouTube and all of a sudden I see Chrissy Teigen and John Legend's Architectural Digest home tour. And I was gonna watch it immediately, but I said, hold up, I need to watch this with you guys. So today we're gonna be watching their home tour and I'm just gonna be giving my thoughts about the design. Anyway, let's just jump into it because I really wanna see. I feel like they're both super stylish and they're gonna have some really cool stuff. So let's do it. Wow. 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 Okay, already I'm seeing my favorite color palette, grays, neutrals, white, and black. That's kind of that is the color palette of my living room, and they have a very mid-century style. So far, their style is like my dream design for my home.
I feel like Jake is the hi Pearl.
She is so acting right there. I feel like she should have been an actress. Anyway, let's keep watching. I really like this little sitting area that they have. People are really breaking away from the traditional living room setup, and I really like how they've set this area up. It's very inviting and it looks like it's perfect for talking. You know, it's a great space to just entertain. By the way, my name is Julene. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that. I do interior design and lifestyle content. You'll also want to put on your notifications so you don't miss when I post. I post every weekend.
So our TV cabinet is pretty cool. It stays open most of the time because we're usually watching TV
it's never closed.
In this room, but the TV comes out, watch this.
Look
and
at
then
that.
you can swivel it to face the living room more or face the kitchen more. So if Chrissy wants to watch Real Housewives and make dinner.
I like that they have their TV hidden away. You guys know I talk about that all the time, but you would never guess that there was a TV in that beautiful piece of furniture. It's very trendy right now to have your backsplash follow up your wall and to also have that same backsplash in your shelving. It's almost always marble, but sometimes you'll find other materials, but I really like the look. I think it looks really sleek. Here's a side note, I like it when people design their kitchen with decor. It doesn't just have to be kitchen supplies. You know, you can put designer decor into your kitchen area. It just makes it tie into the rest of the house and it makes it look nice and styled. Like you see those books that they have on the top shelf? I really like that. This is nice.
So we're in the piano.
Still, there's that warm color palette that you saw in the living room. It's all throughout the house. So I see it again here. And also you can see it's a little Asian inspired. I'm not a huge fan of accent walls, but I really like this one. It ties into this little bar area that they have on the right side, so it doesn't really feel like an accent wall because it's all tied in together. Again, the TV is hidden. I really like that their house is stylish, but also you can tell that they live in this house. Like a lot of celebrities will just have a bunch of houses because they have so much money they don't know what to do with it, but you can tell that this is like a lived-in house. And I guess that's my only point. You can tell it's a lived-in house.
So this tree actually is an olive tree that used to be.
You know you've made it in life when you have a big tree in the middle of your living room.
So we like literally dug 6 feet deep, put the roots down, put this tree here, not ourselves.
Yeah, we did it.
All of the walls are super white. It's a very modern, with like mid-century modern house, but I like that they added in lots of color with all of their furniture pieces.
Embalmed it.
We embalmed it, basically.
Around it, we have this beautiful...
That indoor-outdoor living room space is like my dream. Like, that's the first thing I'm doing as soon as I am a homeowner, is knocking out the walls so I can have that indoor-outdoor look that they have. It's so gorgeous. I love it.
Not yet.
Ooh, look at this playroom.
Nice. And how cool is this bedroom? We just
Wait, this is the bedroom?
Jake some vague notes about how we wanted the kids' rooms to look, and when he came.
Wait, I didn't know that was a bedroom. I don't know if I want my bedroom to look like that. I think that's a pretty cool playroom. I think it's a bit much for a bedroom. It's cool, but it's also, you know, leaning a little bit on the Kim Kardashian side with like not much color. And kids love color, so It does have a princessy vibe, but I don't know. I think I would add a little bit more color for the kids, but it's gorgeous. I love the drapery that's on the ceiling, that like dome effect that they have going on, and the nice like natural chandelier. I feel like if they would have did like crystals, it would have been a little too much, but I like that they brought back in some of that earth with the wooden chandelier. Now this is a cool bedroom.
Say, hey guys, this is my room.
Hey guys, this is my room.
Miles loves cars, if you can't tell.
I mean, that's a really cool place for a kid to grow up. For the movie room, I'm loving this texture in the seating. And again, I like how they made it practical for their family and very livable. It's really nice. This whole place is super nice. Okay, here's another living room area. I think I like this one a little better than the other living room area. On the couch, on the floor, pizza all over the table. It makes me so happy to see everybody gather around one space. Do you guys see how the rug is touching all the pieces of furniture and it's grounding the space? Make sure yours does that. I also really like this rug. If any of you can send, I mean, I don't think I can afford this rug, obviously, but maybe I can find a dupe, because this is the kind of rug that I'm looking for my living room. I want something that's super soft. Because my couches aren't really couches that you can sink into, so I'm looking for something to add the coziness to my space. So if you guys know any rugs like that, just go ahead and drop it in the comments below. There's not too much to say about the backyard. It's really beautiful. It looks pretty standard to a lot of these Hollywood backyards. Nothing's really standing out to me. Obviously the view is beautiful, the playhouse is beautiful. This wasn't really a video to critique, more so just to enjoy watching the house with you guys. Let me know what your favorite room in the house was. Make sure you put it in the comments below. And also, if you haven't turned on your notifications or subscribed, make sure you do that, because I have so much great content coming up, including some makeovers. So I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you put on your notifications so you don't miss next weekend's video. My name is Julene. Thanks again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next weekend. Take care.